As a busy professional, you're likely no stranger to the feeling of drowning in a sea of tasks and deadlines. But what if I told you there's a secret to reclaiming hours of your precious time, and it's hiding right in your Chrome browser? Today, I'll show you how 10 AI Chrome extensions have revolutionized my workflow, and how you can do the same. First, let's set the stage. We're living in a world where AI is no longer a novelty, but a necessity. According to a recent study, 75% of businesses are already leveraging AI to boost productivity, and that number is only going to grow. So what does this mean for you? It means it's time to get on board, and I'm here to show you how. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI sounds intimidating, and I don't have time to learn a whole new system. Fear not, friends, because these 10 AI Chrome extensions are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for the tech-challenged. And the best part? They're free to download, so you can start saving time